Okay. Yeah. So enterprise structure, the structure of the enterprise in SAP system. So in this, it starts from company. Company, it's a enterprise. Okay. Below this enterprise, we have different subsidiaries. Like company, below company, these are subsidiaries. For these subsidiaries in SAP, we call it as company code, right? In these subsidiaries, suppose this is Tata company. Below this, we have TCS, Tata Motors, Tata Power, Tata Green. Okay, these are subsidiaries. For subsidiaries, they are maintaining their own data sheet and accounting, right? So for this, we are taking as company code. Okay. Below this company code, they have different plants. Okay. Suppose TCS have plants. Suppose at Kolkata, Mumbai, Bhubaneswar are different plants. Wha- What is the plant where manufacturing or services are provided, right? Suppose Tata Motors, they have plants, they are manufacturing cars, right? For TCS, they are providing services. They have offices. They have employees in these plants. They are performing their job. Right. Similarly, in Tata Motors in plant, they are performing their manufacturing activities. Right. So below this plant, we have storage location where materials are stored. Material like suppose for these service related activities for TCS, they have computers, wires, mouse, keyboard, all these. Right? For the Tata Motors, they have different parts of their cars, their steering, chassis, seat, airbag, and all those. Okay, these are saved in storage location. So for purchasing activities, the material they are storing, right? So वो सब परचेज करना रहता है कि ऐसा नहीं कि एक प्लांट में सब कुछ इन्होंने सपोज टेक एग्जांपल फॉर दिस TCS, they are taking laptops, desktops from Dell, HP, Lenovo, right? For these purchasing activities, this department is responsible for purchasing activities. Okay, this purchase department is assigned to this below this plant and as well as for this company code, right? So in this purchase organization, some that is group is also available. Just like in this group, a single or multiple persons are present in this group to perform that purchasing activities, right? To them, we called it as purchase group. So this is the structure. Okay, that is enterprise structure. This is a hierarchical arrangement of the these components. Okay, so let's start to customize all this. We have to define first. We have to define this. We have to create all those. What are the parameters are there? We have to maintain, and then we have to assign. Assign means we have to link. What to link? Company code will be assigned to company. Plant will be assigned to company code. Okay, storage location to plant. So we have to link all those these elements. Okay. So let's start. Let's come to our SAP screen. It is in HANA. So to create company, we have a T code here to customize all the settings, generate all the functional consultant are using this T code that is SPRO. Right? That is what it stands for SAP SPRO. That is SAP Program Reference Object, right? SPRO, that is Program Reference Object. So we will define this enterprise structure. Okay, that's T code. What is the T code? T code means it's transaction code. Okay, SPRO, it is a transaction code. Okay, so after putting this transaction code in this command box, So what we are getting here, that is SAP reference IMG. IMG means implementation guide. Okay, that is IMG implementation guide. Okay, so click on this. Okay, it's taking time, so we have to log in. Okay, log on this one again. Connection, something is there. Okay, let me check the connection first, then we'll come. Okay, fine. So, what is the T code for this? For enterprise structure creation, it is SPRO, right? SPRO in reference IMG, then enterprise structure. Okay, it is enterprise structure. The definition. In definition, we will define all those elements. In definition, that is financial accounting, up to financial accounting. These are the nodes, okay, regarding this. Suppose define company, this is the node for that company. You can read all this. Yes. This is all about company. We can read. Okay, fine. So this is the path. Let me note down those paths. That is for company. That is SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, then define company. Right? This one. So what we are going to create, that is something else. These two are we have already created. Let me check this one also with you. Define company. Right. Okay, look, when you are going to define a company, someone is also working there. So this user ID is working there. How to solve this one? Okay, go go for T code ASM12. ASM12. Put this username here and search. We go for searching. Look. So select this line and delete. Okay. Now we can define. Okay. So these are companies are already created, right? So what we can do, we can create our new company, that we can go for new entries. In new entries you can give our company, that is company name, and this is the we can this we can say this is the code for this company. Okay, so for this setting, what is this field, what are the characters, how many characters we can put here. So we can get all these details through, that is help button. Click on help, select this field, and click on help. In this performance assistance, you can get this is technical information. Okay, go to technical information. In technical information, you can get the field name. What is the field name, that is in table? Okay, in this table, this field is saved under this field name, right? Double click on this field name. Look, that RCOMP. This field name is for company. Okay. What is the length for this? That is 6. What is the document type? The data type. It is the data type, not document. This is data type. That is character. Okay. Character means alphabet, numeric, and all those. Okay. So up to 6 character we can take. Go back. Okay, we can take it as TPNL. Suppose I'm taking something. Okay, that is dry plastic right? That is street you can take something like post box number, postal code, address you have to put here. Okay, suppose I'm taking for Kolkata, region, India, location, language, and currency, right? Look here, what I have done, I have just put the data which I have put before, right? Same thing I have put here. When you select, right? So you go to drop down, and from that drop down you select where IN is. Where in GHI. Okay, it is ING. So double click on this. It will come in, right? So I have used this data before. For that, I just put all this. Okay. Then put enter and save. Okay. What it is coming? Okay. During saving, what it is coming? That is prompt for customizing request. We are customizing, right? For this one customizing request is coming. So we have to create our own request, right? Whenever you are going to do any customization, you will get this customization request. This is called TRN, means transport request number. What we can get, that is transport request number, right? So for this configuration, what we can do, we can do our own request. Click on this create the description. Suppose our enterprise structure, okay, TPML, okay, enterprise structure TPML, right? So click on save. Look, this description come here. So one space is there, so we can also edit this. Okay, fine. So click on continue. Okay, this data was saved. Let me take these details. That is company what we have created now. That is TPML, and that is Fantastic Manufacturing Limited. Okay. So company we have created. Look, this company we have created. Right now we will create company code. Means subsidiary. What are the subsidiaries are there? We can create. Okay. We will just create like this structure company, then this one company code and two plants, and below this band three storage location, then purchase organization and purchase group. Okay, this side we are going to do. Okay. Then come to company code, right? What is the path for that? Same, go to SPRO, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, then definition we have to define here, then same financial accounting we have created company here, then come to this edit copy delete check company code, right? Click on execute this, then come to edit company code. Here we can, if you go through this copy delete check company code, here is the option copy as, copy from object, right? Reference object. So here what we can say, we can copy from another company code, right? So you have to put this another company code and your company code newly what you are going to create, right? So if you know, you can put. If you don't know, then it's better to go there. You go to edit company code data, double click on this. So look, again someone is logged. So what we can do, Again, we will go for SM, that is SM12. Look this here. This is the transaction code SM12, right? Put here username. What happened? It's not responding. Okay, so take another SM12, right? So here, put that user ID and then search. Okay, he has left that. So again, what we can do? No. Okay. Again, double click on this. Edit company code data. It is also taking some time. Okay. Again, another user is also using this bar. Okay. Put that user ID. Okay. Then search. Okay. Look. Then select this one and delete. Then again, double click on this. Okay, these are the company code has already been created by others. Okay, so in S4 HANA, that is one standard company code is there. It is 1710, right? So 1710 we have to select and then go to copy as. Copy as, look here, it is showing specified target entries. You have to put your company code, right? But our company, that is company we have created, letter TPML. Okay, Triplastic Manufacturing Limited. Below that we have, we can go for another our one unit subsidiary, that is plastic container. Okay, so we can container TPCL कर देते हैं उसको. Let me take TPCL. Triplastic Company Limited. Okay, only Triplastic Company. Okay. TPC. One कर देते हैं TPC one. Okay. TPC one which already exists. Okay. That is the something. So we cannot take TPC one. TPC zero. TPC zero is not there, so we can take this TPC zero. Okay. Triplastic Company. So what is the city for this? Suppose we can say this is from Bhubaneswar. This company code is Bhubaneswar city. What is country? You can check from drop down. It is IN India, and currency, that is INR, and language English. Okay, then enter, put enter, and this, look, this complete address is coming. Okay, so we can check title, that is company name, that is Triplastic Company, Triplastic Company. Then what is the street? Something you can take, street to 241, and house number something 32 district. This comes under Kolda district, and postal code you can take, suppose 287. Country, I am putting just address of this company. Okay, what is the region? Region means what is the state for this? That is Bhubaneswar comes under Odisha. That is what, where is Odisha? Okay, you can check from drop down. Odisha, that is 18. Right? Okay, what is the time zone? time zone India, you can select from drop down also. Okay, India, right? Then post box number, same postal code you can say here. Postal code that will be same, and post box number you can take different. Okay, then language English, telephone something this one, and email suppose TP she 0 at gmail.com. Yeah. Okay, so go for preview. What we have put here. Okay, this. Okay, and then okay. So we have created this company code. Okay, so save this one. When you go for saving, similarly, enterprise structure, our enterprise structure that is TRN is coming. Okay, then continue. So again, select this one and go for details, then go for address. So this is the address what we have maintained. Look, here there's something different address is there. We have not maintained it, so we can maintain it. Save. Okay, and save. So go back. So what we have done now, we have created company code that is select TPC0, right? So take this and keep it in note. TPC0, that is company code. Suppose look here, I have already told you that is 1710, that is standard company code for HANA, and 1000 that is for ECC, right? So what is ECC? That is ECC is that is a previous version of that. This is HANA is the current version, and ECC is the previous version of the HANA, right? ECC full form that is enterprise enterprise central component, right? What is HANA? It is high performance analytic appliance. You can take this. Just a second, yeah. Okay, yeah. Where we was? Yes, we have created that company code. Let me save here. Okay, TPC0, that is Triplastic company, right? Okay, so we have created company, and then what is the next instruction? Company we have created, company code created, then plant. Okay, let's go to define the plant. Then go back, close, and come to logistics general. Okay, in logistics general that is define plant. Okay, what we have done in financial accounting, we have created company and company code. Okay, in logistics general we will create plant. Okay, what is the path for this? Similarly, SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, and then logistic general and define plant. In notes for plant, that is SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, logistic general, and define plant. Okay, here also same 1000 is standard plant in ECC, and 1710 that is standard plant in HANA. Why we are copying from this standard? Because in background many customization are done, okay, that they are not in part of also. For that reason we have to copy from the standard brand. Okay, we can do that, but we have that will take time. Okay, in standard, that is if you do any transaction, that you will not that much of error, right? Okay, so 17 we will copy from 1710, right? Then select where is 1710. How we can find? We can go down by scrolling. Otherwise, here go to position. Here you can search 1710. That is 1710. So select this one and go for copy as. So put your plant here. What was our plant? How can we nomenclature this one? TPC 0, right? Plastic TPC dot T we can take TP triplastic P1 TPP1. Suppose triplastic plant 1. We can try plastic plant 1. Okay, so delete this one. Look, these are the address details. This address detail we can change. So what is the factory calendar we can take from here? This one we cannot change here, right? So I'm telling you how you can change all this. So factory calendar you change from here. IN you can check from drop down also. Okay, then by putting these three, we just put enter. Look, this address tab will come. Okay, these addresses are like this. So you have to change all these. Then company, put your name, try plastic plant one. Okay, so is 123 something you can take. And what is the house number? That is 343. District you can take what we have saved previously. Then, so postal code, time zone, India, that is country, IN, region, that is 18 for Odisha. Okay, so jurisdiction you can keep it like this here. Then post box numbers and postal code 87. This number and this postal code should be same. Okay. Okay, telephone number you can give anything. Email, suppose what is this? TPP1. Suppose at gmail. Okay, go for preview. Look what we have put here. Then okay, and one thing we have not changed, that is the city. It can take. Sure, again go for preview. Okay, then okay, okay. So what we have done, we have created plant and then save. You will get same request number. Okay, as we are creating same organizational structure, so we are not, I'm not changing that. Again select this plant and go for details. We have, this is what we have put in our address, that is, and USA and California, that will be changed. That is some background error is there. For that reason it is coming. So USA and California, right? Go back. Okay. So select this one. So put it in our note. This is triplastic plant one. Save, go back, and again come to this define plant. Okay, look, someone is logged, right? So what you can do, go here and search, and again delete, select and delete, and go to again, define plant. What was our plant? TCP, TCP1, right? What was your plant? TPP1. Okay, TPP1 is there. TPP1. Okay, TPP1. Then go to details button. Look, again it is changed. We have not done anything, but it is again it is changed to actual. Okay, go back. So again, you want to check the what is the address, where is the address. So this you can click on this address and you will get the tab again. Okay, so you can change here also. Okay, go back, and what we have done now, we have created plant. We created company and company code and plant, right? So what is the next? We have created company, company code, and then plant. What is the next? That is storage location. Okay. What is the path for that? That is not in logistic, that in materials management. Okay. In materials management, that is maintain storage location. What is the path for this? SPRO, IMC, enterprise structure, definition, materials management, and maintain storage location. Okay. Click on this. What it is saying? It is saying provide plant. Without plant, storage location cannot be created. Okay, that means during creation of storage location, we are linking the plant with storage location. Okay, so what was our storage plant? TPP1, right? That is TPP1. So put here TPP1. Under this TPP1, we are creating the storage location. Look, plant TPP1 and storage location list is it is blank. So go to new entries. Location. So you can put here 1000 store location, 2000 store location, and 3000 location. Okay. Similarly, you can check the character going by help and then technical information, right? So I'm taking for this for my convenience. For your company's requirement, you can take these locations. And what is the description for this 1000 store location? Suppose raw material for TPP1 plant. Okay, TPP1. Again 2000 for suppose finished material for TPP1, and 3000 for spare parts related to TPP1. Okay. And in third column, that is valid. Whether this store location is valid or not valid, we can customize from here. Okay, suppose after some years that management told that "Nee, we want this storage location, we have to close this storage location or delete this storage location." What you can do, you can simply come here and put here no longer valid, right? Okay, so putting this, you go just enter, just put enter. Okay, this will be grayed out. Then after you go for saving and save enterprise structure, same enterprise structure until we are creating. That's why I am not changing this request number. Then continue. Okay. One more thing is that you can select this location and go for address of storage location. We can save the address of storage location. Double click on this. So plant under this location, store location, and address of store location. New entries. Suppose store location, suppose 01. Okay. then enter same, you will get tab for address. Okay, you can check anything, that you can take anything, suppose store for raw material and all the required details, right? Same thing. So what is the requirement of this? Why we will maintain this storage location? Suppose think a big unit is there, plant is suppose at Bhubaneswar, but the storage location is somewhere else, suppose some 20-30 kilometers away from that uh, plant, right? In plant there are many plants that can have many plants, बहुत सारे प्लांट हो सकते हैं. सपोज जो प्लांट है वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा स्टोरेज लोकेशन है, ठीक है, बट देयर सेंट्रल स्टोरेज लोकेशन इज समहाउ 20 or 30 kilometers away from that. So we have to, at that time we have to maintain for that storage location, because ऐसा है कि जब आप when you will go for the purchasing the material, right, so that material will come to your storage location, not to your plant. From storage location, you will access that material during your requirement. Right? For this reason, you are maintaining the address of storage location. Right? Otherwise, you have to pay more amount that will in transporting, that will come to your plant first. Then you have to send it to storage location. Again, you have to access all those. Right? So for that reason, we can maintain address of storage location. Okay. So you can maintain. I'm just giving this cancel. Yes. So how many numbers of storage address you can put here? For a single storage location, you can put multiple number of addresses. Okay. So select this one. Just delete. Okay. Then go back. Then save. Okay. Again go back. So we have created our storage locations. Okay. Then what is the next in our structure? After storage location, that is purchase organization. The organization, this department is responsible for purchasing